Hey y'all, in this box is a thing from DURATECH, actually two things that I think are really useful for your bug out bag or for going in the stuff hits the fan kit. So we'll get a close-up look at these and talk about why I think these are essential for like a disaster or emergency preparedness kit. Okay, so what we got here is a one key here with some different square sizes on it. And another key with some kind of oddly shaped stuff. So again, a square, another square, a triangle, and this funny looking fella. So I think in an emergency situation or a bug out bag or a stuff hits the fan situation, a set like this can be invaluable because, for example, this guy right here, this key often is used to lock electrical boxes or boxes for stuff like communications. So if you need to get into one of those boxes during an emergency, this would be a great key. Same with the triangle here, same kind of deal. Electrical boxes, emergency boxes, stuff like that. These square keys, on the other hand, are a little bit more common, or as little more common as you're going to get, for water and utilities. Maybe there's a water valve on the outside of a public place you need to turn on or off. This would be great. Sometimes the utilities use these for gas or water valves as well. So having these just in your case for just in case gives you some tools you might need in an emergency situation. So that's where they're going for us in our emergency box. You know, just in case we have to turn off a gas valve or turn off a water valve or turn a gas or water valve on for reasons. So there you go. Made of metal, seem plenty heavy duty enough. You know, you could put this around your keychain. I would probably put a piece of paracord through here, a little stronger. But yeah, DURATECH, a great little set, and it does give you the measurements on these square keys on the side.